Over 50% of low-rise commercial building projects in the U.S. incorporate metal building systems. Why? Primarily because of their economic and environmental benefits. Metal building systems are durable, energy efficient, and quick to erect. That means lower costs and higher quality than typical conventional solutions. Builders and owners know metal building solutions are the smart choice for low-rise construction. The industry now gains greater credibility through the introduction of AC 478, an accreditation program for firms that assemble metal building systems. The criteria is based on industry guidelines, standards, and code requirements. The accreditation is provided by International Accreditation Service, IAS, a subsidiary of the International Code Council. The program is recognized by the Metal Building Contractors and Erectors Association, known as MBCEA, and IMPACT, the Ironworker Management Progressive Action Cooperative Trust. The AC 478 criteria comes on the heels of the highly successful AC 472 accreditation program. It was developed in coordination with the Metal Building Manufacturers Association, or MBMA, to evaluate metal building manufacturers. The framework for AC 478 is clear. It shows assemblers how to obtain and maintain IAS accreditation. It requires inspection of the firm's metal building systems assembly and the submission of specific project data. To qualify for accreditation, firms that assemble metal buildings demonstrate that they have the personnel, organization, experience, knowledge, management procedures, and commitment to assemble metal building systems. Firms that emphasize safety will appreciate the program's rigorous attention to safety and quality. When a firm is evaluated for accreditation, attention is focused on assembly procedures, inspections, quality assurance, and commitment to safety. In fact, accredited companies must have a safety plan and a job safety analysis risk assessment tool to identify and control workplace hazards. When it comes to safety, here are specific things that an accredited company must have. 1. A description of procedures and policies that ensure the safety of all people. 2. A safety manager whose experience confirms his or her competence and consistent results in establishing, maintaining, and implementing a safety program. 3. Assurance that the safety manager has direct access to the firm's highest level executives. Assemblers must also show documentation of regular internal audits and annual management reviews. Why? Because the internal audits document the effectiveness of the management system as well as the safety and training programs. In addition, the management reviews document improvement plans based on customer complaints, back charges, OSHA violations, and code requirements. Accreditation through AC 478 requires a site-specific focus. A significant program goal is simply this: to minimize the risks of metal building failure during assembly. To achieve that goal, accreditation requires documentation of important construction elements. These include erection sequencing, developed in coordination with a controlling contractor, crane and derrick selection and placement procedures, steel erection activities and procedures, fall protection procedures that comply with OSHA 29 CFR 1926.760. Other important documents include confirmation that construction procedures comply with OSHA regulations for systems-engineered metal buildings, procedures for hazardous non-routine tasks, certifications for employees who receive training for performing steel erection operations, rescue and emergency response action plans. Who benefits from AC 478 accreditation? Everyone. Architects, engineers, and specifiers can experience a high level of confidence that IAS has independently evaluated the metal building assembler for accreditation, and that metal buildings will be assembled according to required specifications and standards. Building owners know they are investing in a builder that truly values quality, efficiency, and safety. Building officials gain a layer of protection for their jurisdictions when buildings are being assembled by companies accredited by IAS AC 478. Assemblers are investing in quality, efficiency, and safety. They gain benefits such as a competitive edge, marketing advantage, the ability to bid on projects requiring AC 478 accreditation, partnering opportunities with firms that manufacture, design metal building systems. Construction employees gain respect and appreciation for their employers because the firm is demonstrating their commitment to safety and quality. Subconsultants can team with confidence with accredited assemblers, knowing that the erectors expect and appreciate high quality and integrity in the work of all trades. Every metal building system manufacturer that is a member of MBMA is accredited by AC 472. Now, don't you think they'd also want to work with an accredited assembler? There's no time like the present. Find out more now. Learn, ask, apply.